Hey everybody, today we are up in Idaho on spring break. I know, like, it's still winter time in Idaho on spring break, but brought up the old inner cover so we could drill holes in it for the mason jar honeycomb that we're going to work on. First thing we're going to do is we got to scrape off the comb just from the old inner cover. Probably doesn't matter if you do it or not, but kind of wanted to. All right, we got a wide mouth mason jar, and our thought is let's take the lid. And if you look at the lid, the inside of the lid is narrower than the actual jar. So if we just outline the inside of the lid and then cut holes on the inside of that, we should be able to put the mason jar on top of the inner cover and have it sit there. We're not going to use it with the lids. We're just going to put the mason jar on top of the wood, and just be careful and let the bees use propolis to cement it down. See how that works. What do you think about it? You ready? Yeah. We're saying that smaller is better.
Yeah, I'm having trouble controlling it though.
I think, I don't think that's perfect, and that's okay. I don't think the bees will care. That's what you... Here with my Padre, what conclusions did we come to? Easier than we thought. I don't think you need to have it up to the edges completely because the bees are going to make it up through smaller holes. You could probably use a different tool than we used. We just had these bits. I don't know exactly.
You could have a drill that was the same size as this hole.
Yeah.
Might be easier.
Yeah.
This was easy enough.
Yeah, our tools were limited, and this is what we had. And
it didn't splinter as much as we thought it would.
Nope. And sturdy. We didn't know how sturdy it would be. It seems like it's sturdy enough. No big deal. You could probably do this with just a regular piece of plywood or something like that, but it's nice to have the inner cover that's reinforced at the edges. Anything else?
Well, I like it.
Okay, now we're going to go make millions of dollars selling honeycomb mason jars.
Right.